Rajasthan, sir. Sir, Rajasthan is largest area state, and it has a population of around 10 to 12 crores, and it is rich in culture and heritage, and almost all kind of environment like desert is also there, rivers are also there, and all kind of environment is over there, and it is considered to be one of the most peaceful state in India.
Okay. What is the difference between Eastern Rajasthan and Western Rajasthan?
Sir, in Western Rajasthan, the availability of water is very less as compared to Eastern Rajasthan, and desert is also there. And one more difference is like it is connected to the border is connected. The border of India is connected to the Pakistan, and the population density is very less in Western Rajasthan as compared to Eastern Rajasthan.
Okay. Can you tell me how many districts of your state touch the Pakistan border?
Sir, it's Bikaner, Jaisalmer, and Bikaner, Jaisalmer, Badmer, and Ganganagar district. They all touch the Pakistan, sir.
You appeared in NDA,
Yes, sir.
CDS, CAPF. What is the reason that you are not selected in?
Sir, I could not clear the written examination because my preparation was not very good at that time.
Okay, what is the difference between armed forces and central armed police forces?
Sir, armed forces are the primary defense forces. They deal with any external intrusion. They deal with any external aggression when happens to our country. And armed paramilitary forces and CAPFs, they assist armed forces in case of any external aggression comes. They also deals with the internal security, as well as they also deal with law in maintaining law and order. They assist the local administration.
अभी बिहार में चुनाव होने जा रहे हैं.
Yes, sir.
And armed forces will be moved.
Yes, sir.
Why we use central armed forces, police forces in election? Why we don't use local police?
Sir, some armed police forces like CRPF, they are very expert in dealing with any agitation or any law and order situation occurs, like any mob violence is there. They are very expert in dealing with them. State police is also capable, equally capable for that, but since the resources of state police will be more stretched, so to assist them in all the areas, the CAPF is also deployed.
आप एक बात बताइए, जब जो स्टेट पुलिस है वो अपने स्टेट को पूरे साल भर देखती है या परमानेंटली देखती है?
यस सर.
उनको वहाँ की हर सिचुएशन पता है, ठीक है. उसके बाद ऐसा क्या रहता है कि जब हम इलेक्शन कराते हैं तो CAPF बुलाते हैं?
यस सर.
मैं वो पूछ रहा हूँ
सर, एज फार एज
अभी अगर अभी की सिचुएशन देखी जाए तो अभी आप देख रहे हैं कि कोविड का प्रॉब्लम है.
यस सर.
गवर्नमेंट रिस्ट्रिक्टेड है, फिर भी इतनी बड़ी मात्रा में
यस सर.
फोर्स मूव करेगी.
यस सर.
आर्म्स एंड एम्यूनिशन मूव करेंगे, उससे अच्छा लोकल पुलिस क्यों नहीं इसको डील करेगी? मुझे वो बताइए.
Sir, there are some provisions in rules in which center can decide to deploy central armed police forces.
ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में है?
No, sir, it's not in the constitution, but they are. I'm not aware about that specific rule.
अच्छा, you are from Rajasthan.
Yes,
and
sir.
there is almost BSF.
Yes, sir.
You have opted first choice as CISF.
Yes, sir.
Why so?
Sir, since I am from technical background, and CISF is an all India posting force, I will be able to move in all. I will be able to explore all the parts of the country, and since I am from technical background, I will be able to deal with the technical. I will be able to serve in better position in PSUs if my force will be deployed.
आज सुबह में पेपर पढ़ा है?
No, sir, I could not read the newspaper because I came from Rajasthan today in morning itself. Sir, I am working right now, so I.
Where do you work?
Sir, I am working in Ministry of Home Affairs and Intelligence Bureaus.
What is your rank?
My rank is security assistant.
Security assistant.
Yes, sir.
And what is your job profile?
Sir, my job profile includes almost all the things in my office, like sending messages to the subsidiary intelligence bureau offices and receiving messages through the fax and making the message for as my senior command in the law and order situation of the state. I make the message.
Why the Director General of IB
Yes,
is
sir.
the most senior DG of all DG?
Yes, sir. He is a 5-star police officer. He is a senior most police officer, and sir, it is the provision that he will be treated the senior most of police officer.
DG तो DG होते हैं क्या वो?
Yes, sir.
CISF का हो क्या CRP का हो क्या स्टेट पुलिस का हो?
Yes, sir.
But he is a 5-star and other are 4-star.
Yes, sir.
What's the reason?
Sir, because he has a vast knowledge of internal security.
जितेंद्र,
Yes, sir.
अपने सर ने एक वर्ड पूछा था तो आपने वर्ड बोला था डेजर्ट।
Desert.
राजस्थान।
Yes, sir.
क्या होता है डेजर्ट के साथ?
Sir, desert area where the natural vegetation is very less and soil and loose soil is in abundance and water availability is very less.
भारत सरकार ने क्या क्या प्रयास किए डेजर्ट की किस्म को कम करने के लिए?
Yes, sir. Sir, Indian government has channelized Indira Gandhi Nehar to make the availability of the water very easy, and tree plantation work is also in the progress, and Jal Swavlambam scheme by the state government is also undergoing to boost the tree plantation.
कोई समिट हुई थी क्या अभी 2019?
Yes, sir. COP25 summit. It was for endangered species. Prevention of endangered species. Sir.
कल मैंने न्यूज़पेपर में एक बहुत अच्छी न्यूज़ पढ़ी थी गाजीपुर में।
Yes, sir.
हाजिया सूफिया मस्जिद
Yes, sir.
तुर्कमेनिस्तान में।
Yes,
क्यों
sir.
चर्चा में है वो थोड़ा सा बता पाएंगे आप? हाजिया सूफिया मस्जिद।
Sir, Turkmenistan. Sir, I have read the news in recent time that this half Sophia Masjid will not be this will now be converted to a museum, as far as I could remember, sir.
किसने किया अभी जो कन्वर्ट? 14वीं शताब्दी से वो तो कन्वर्ट हो रही है। पहले मस्जिद बनी,
हाँ सर।
फिर कहना चाहिए म्यूजियम बना, फिर मस्जिद बना, फिर म्यूजियम बना।
Yes, sir.
क्यों हो रही है ऐसा?
Sir, I'm not able to recall the reasons.
यार जयपुर को हेरिटेज साइट का दर्जा मिला है।
Yes, sir.
हेरिटेज साइट का जो दर्जा मिलता है उसके क्या क्या मतलब बेसिक वो है जिसको आधार बनाते हुए हेरिटेज साइट का दर्जा दिया जाता है?
Sir, the city should be very culturally rich from the very past time, and it should have worldwide recognition. And so these are the two provisions I could remember right
अच्छा
now.
जयपुर को क्यों मिला है ये पता है?
Sir, UNESCO World Heritage List. Recently, it was declared as UNESCO World Heritage Site.
क्रिएटिविटी क्या होती है?
Sorry, sir, I could not hear the word.
आपने किया है इंजीनियरिंग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एंड कम्युनिकेशन,
Yes, sir.
है ना? कुछ बताइए इसके बारे में।
Sir, electronics and communication is engineering is a field of engineering in which we deal with we deal with the semiconductor electronics and wireless communication as well as wired communication system, and we deal with all electronic devices. We study of that and how it can be useful in the recent time, that is also studied in the.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक और इलेक्ट्रिक में क्या डिफरेंस है?
Sir, electronic devices, they work on very small voltage like 0 to 5 volt, but as compared to electrical devices, the voltage the voltage range of those devices is very high as compared to and these electronic engineering has the computer engineering was also originated from electronics engineering, and electrical engineering it deals with big machines.
यार एक चीज समझ में नहीं आई मुझे।
Yes, sir.
आपने ग्रेजुएशन 10 साइंस 12th भी साइंस में पीसीएम।
Yes, sir.
आपका फिजिक्स स्पेशल रहा है।
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Physics was one of the subject.
मैं एक चीज पूछना चाह रहा था, न्यूटन के तीनों लॉ हैं,
Yes, sir.
उनके बेसिक एप्लीकेशन क्या क्या है, कुछ बता पाएंगे आप?
Yes, sir. Sir, Newton's first law is any object will always be in rest until and unless a force is applied on that, and it will always in the motion until and unless force is used to retard that motion. The basic application is while I was traveling by the metro train, I observed that when brake was applied, my body was going forward direction. So my body's tendency was to be in that position itself. So while applying the retardation only, then only I could go in the forward direction.
अगर न्यूटन के लॉ का अगर डिफेंस सिस्टम में अगर यूज करना है एप्लीकेशन पॉइंट, तो कैसे करेंगे, कुछ पता है?
Sir, yes, sir. While I'll be firing my gun, then I should know that it will bounce back, and it should not hurt my bones. So I will use proper. I will be more careful so that my bones and my man who was firing, their bones are not fractured. I will ensure that.
भीमा कोरेगांव जो बैटल हुई थी,
Yes, sir.
किस के बीच में हुई थी?
Sir, the community's name I could not remember right now, but recently the Naxal element. Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Naxal elements were involved in that fight, and NIA is probing that issue, and there are some allegations that there has been urban Naxal elements who was involved in that.
आपने अभी एक वर्ड यूज किया NIA,
Yes, sir.
नेशनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसी।
Yes, sir.
इसमें संशोधन हुआ है 2019 में, क्या क्या हुआ है, कुछ बता पाएंगे?
Sir, in 2019
केरला
there.
और छत्तीसगढ़ दोनों का सुप्रीम कोर्ट में इशू चला था।
हाँ, sir.
दोनों ने अपनी पिटीशन फाइल की थी।
Yes, sir.
क्यों की थी? क्या
Sir.
किस आर्टिकल को आधार बना के?
Sir, recently in NIA amendment 2019, NIA is given more power as compared to the earlier. Now NIA can probe the cases in foreign countries also in which Indian citizens are involved, and NIA can deal with cases which deal with human trafficking, and which deal with it can also probe cyber security issues which are associated with terrorism. So these are the powers which are given to NIA, and some area of jurisdiction is also improved as compared to the earlier.
Okay, Digan, your informant will be over. We will call you back. आप बाहर भी थोड़े में बुलाते हैं।
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.